Robotics is thriving in the tech-driven market because it allows businesses to increase efficiency in the workplace while minimizing the possibility of human error. Trends and predictions in robotics have proven to be useful in 2021, transforming multiple businesses and enabling them to earn higher profits despite the ongoing pandemic. Hello and welcome to Elon Musk Trending. If you're a Musk fan and don't want to miss anything about this incredible person, then smack the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 10 robotics trends and predictions for 2022 to get ready for the tech-driven future. The fictitious concept of a robot revolution appears to be becoming real now, with AI robots evident around us completing little chores. Robots have evolved over the last few decades, from specialized devices for industrial purposes to domestic task assisters. During the pandemic, when social isolation became the norm, demand for AI robots increased significantly. In other words, it's an exciting moment in robotics, and here are some major trends to witness in the robotics industry in 2022. Number 10. Smart factories. As robots become more intelligent, the industries in which they are employed will become more intelligent as well. For example, industrial robotics and automated solutions will be used to support assembly lines in manufacturing and distribution, and smart factories will become as common and necessary as any other progressive development. This means that we can anticipate operations that are faster, more efficient, and more accurate with fewer inconsistencies as a result of this advancement. Future interactions between robots and autonomous removable robots, AMRs, will be more seamless, requiring less maintenance and human involvement. Robots and humans are collaborating to automate driving and package handling, which is referred to as a division of labor. As a result, practitioners are realizing that it is critical to carefully define the boundary conditions that separate when robots work reliably from when they do not, and to switch control in response to these boundary conditions. Because of the increasing demand for e-commerce, it is likely that this concept will become more sophisticated as robots are implemented to meet the demand. Number 9. Expansion of robotic opportunities. Over the last decade, there have been a steady increase in the demand for robots. All of these factors, including the COVID-19 labor shortages and the desire to reduce carbon footprints, have had an impact on human capacity to perform tasks outside of traditional manufacturing and warehouse environments. There will be an exponential increase in the demand for automated robotic systems and equipment in the coming decades, and this will continue indefinitely. While the COVID-19 pandemic was underway, it became clear that robots and automation provided a safe means for manufacturers to keep employees socially separated while still operating. In many countries, the working population is continuing to age and retire at an alarming rate. Apart from the labor shortages experienced during the pandemic, some of these professions will not be replaced by automation or robotics in the near future, which is a positive development. Labor shortages are also a problem in the retail and consumer industries, which are two more sectors affected by the labor shortage. Number 8. The rise of AI robots. Traditional robotics programming will continue to evolve as artificial intelligence advances in many industries. Using AI or machine learning, various functionalities can be added to robotics to improve their efficiency and effectiveness. AI and robots will continue to advance in industries such as healthcare, agriculture, automotive warehousing, and supply chain management, to name a few. Self-driving cars have dominated the news, but artificial intelligence is already being developed to aid robots and automation. By combining machine vision with learning capabilities, the work being done at the intersection of artificial intelligence, machine vision, and machine learning is quickly becoming the foundation for the next phase of robotics. Vision-based drones, for example, are one of the many new possibilities that roboticists are enabling. Robotic harvesting, robotic sorting and recycling, and warehouse picking locations are all examples of robotic harvesting. These applications have now advanced to the point where they can provide real value in semi-structured environments where traditional robots could never succeed. Number 7. RPA Robotic Process Automation Mechanism. This RPA mechanism is responsible for triggering the automation of repetitive tasks. RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a method of business process automation that makes use of an application or a bot that replicates an employee's desktop actions by interacting with an interface in the same manner as a human would. Given that RPA is primarily used for time-consuming manual tasks, it is commonly used in roles, functions, and business units that will be spending a significant amount of time on these types of processes. The healthcare industry, for example, employs robotic process automation to streamline a variety of tasks such as invoicing, inventory management, and appointment scheduling. The The company implemented a RPA procedure in order to improve the employee experience by relieving them of tedious tasks and allowing them to concentrate on their strengths. Number 6. The rise of cobots. Projections show that collaborative bots, also known as cobots, will become one of the most widely used developments in robotics and electrical engineering in the near future, particularly in manufacturing. These robots are intended to work alongside humans in a safe and effective manner, without the need for any additional health and safety precautions. With the help of powerful sensors on software, as well as things like end-of-arm tooling, these locations can detect changes in their work environment in real time, allowing them to respond as needed while keeping people safe. However, recent improvements in the software that supports automated workers have increased the efficiency and popularity of cobot technology, which has been around for more than 2 decades. Cobots, or collaborative robots, are the fastest growing segment of industrial automation today. Because of technological advancements and the ability to scale robotics down in both size and cost, it has become common to see smaller robots as an integral part of manufacturing lines. Number 5. AI to provoke the contact-less experience. In 2022, the most important prediction for artificial intelligence is contactless services. Certain important lessons, such as contactless purchasing, working for remote locations, and social distancing, have been learned as a result of the pandemic scenario, and this year's view of AI-powered technology will favor contact-free experiences. Customers may be able to do their shopping using self-shopping techniques such as virtual trail work scanning and price tag checking in some stores, while optical character recognition devices process direct payments in others. Document scanners would collect information from guests without the need for physical interaction or document exchange. Consumer behavior has shifted long-term as a result of the recent COVID crisis. Preparing for an uncertain future will necessitate ongoing re-engineering to support a growing consumer preference for digital and remote options, such as optimizing and automating service delivery without sacrificing customer experience, or finding ways to preserve the all-important, empathetic human touch that personalizes every customer interaction and boosts satisfaction. Number 4. The creation of new media. Generative AI aids preparation technologies. New AI models, algorithms, and tools are being developed to create this information using automated generated POTS and fake video contents. This idea doesn't seem to match reality. Larger businesses use generative AI to create 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional images for marketing purposes. Using visual representations based on the amount of interest would help in providing high-quality customer support. Number 3. Learning through reinforcement. The use of reward learning in the development of many real-time applications has been proven. The Robotics course and the Agile Artificial Intelligence course both use reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning algorithms can keep adapting to the environment over time if necessary, depending on the complexity of the problem, in order to maximize the reward in the long run. So like a teetering toddler, a robot learning to walk with reinforcement learning will try various methods to achieve the goal, receive feedback on how successful those methods are, and then adjust until the goal is met. This knowledge would be accurate and could be applied to a variety of problems to generate solutions to real-world problems. Number 2. Development in healthcare. Is 2022 the year that COVID-19 becomes an endemic rather than a pandemic? Of course, that is what we all hope for, but there is no going back to 2019, and healthcare will never be the same again after the pandemic. Expect telehealth to become more common as more people are exposed to using video calls for health visits. And the COVID-19 vaccine will forever change how vaccines are developed. Vaccines typically take a decade to develop, but these were developed in just 10 months using genetics and MMA technology. This could be one of the century's most significant medical breakthroughs. Robotics is revolutionizing the healthcare industry for a better future ahead, from acting as surgical assistants as remote-controlled robots assist specialists with activities such as minimally invasive procedures to playing a role in the patient's recovery. In today's ever-changing medical world, robots have become indispensable. Number 1. Security and robotics. Firms can use high-performance data units to gain vital insights when using RPA in internal and external operations, with additional optimization by robot-assisted courses of automation. Be aware that this data must be kept private. Your company's security system should meet industry standards. Protect client information from hackers and identity thieves. The development of artificial intelligence has enabled the creation of robots that can protect and serve the community. The benefit is that these robots can work continuously, enhancing security personnel while providing greater mobility and flexibility. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. do share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.